One thing I want to talk about, and I know I talk about Joico all the time, Joico is my brand. I work with them, I love it, so I'm going to tell you this. If you're not using Joico, you're missing out on this really key point that's going to make your life so much easier. So toning hair. Toners are anything, depends, like toners are 20-minute service. So we pop it on, we put it on your hair, and we tone it. 20 minutes gives you the optimum amount of time for washing, and it gives you the best colour, neutralising and shine and condition possible for 20 minutes. Some don't need it, but to get longevity, 20 minutes is where it's at. Joico have got Blonde Life quick toners, 5 minutes. We can tone hair in 5 minutes. Longevity is unreal. I've heard people saying that, oh, you don't get as much longevity. Lies. They blow me away. So I've been using quick toners all through this. I've converted people from my from my Lumishine gloss toners and transitioned them to quick tone. We've got sand, silver, violet and clear. And if you look at sand, that sort of replicates the NWBs, the Ns, the NWs, that sort of thing. If you're formulating it with silvers and violets. You've got silvers, which are like the SBs, and you've got the violet, which is like the violet, the NV. So if you're a creative hairdresser and colourist, you want to save time. Yes! Yes! 100%. You want to give your client the newest technology, the best colours in the quickest amount of time. Yes! They don't want to be sitting in the chair all day. They want to be in here and out. We've had to add extra time for our services, so Blonde Life quick toners, 5 minutes, are where it's at. I wanted to touch on this as well because it's a game changer. Game changer. When it comes to in here and we're looking and we're thinking 20-minute toning, as much as it's been the norm forever, 5-minute toners are the new normal. If this is where we're going to go, the new normal. 5-minute toning is giving your clients giving them your creativity of mixing these three colours together. You've got the clear, which will then extend it. So if you're gonna, on some of the clients where they've got really thick hair, I put some clear in there. And I put clear in there because I want to extend my time. So I take up to 7 minutes, take up to 10 minutes. So I add more clear to give me that. But 5 minutes, truly. Today, I had one of my clients in and she got an abundance of hair, balayaged it, took it to the palest of yellows. I used 30 grams of clear and I used 10 grams of violet. And it was literally white, brilliant white, just unreal in 5 minutes. That will last for her next appointment in 8 weeks' time. So I've no doubt that that's going to look incredible through that period of time. So just a quick one about Joico quick toners. If you're not using them, you need to get them in. Speak to your sales rep. If you want to like comment down below. If you use them, let me know. Let me know your formulations down below. I'd love to know. I play a lot with the violet, hell of a lot. It's very pigmented. So if you leave it on too long, you'll go purple. But adding that little bit more clear to water down, adding sand with a little dash of violet, little dash of silver in with the violet, game changer.